do you observe in the motion of the cars? Have you seen the cars? Hello, learners. What did you observe in the motion of the cars and the guy who is running after them? We often describe motion when bodies move as slow, slower, slowest, fast, faster, and fastest. But how do we measure motion accurately? What is speed? Speed is the rate of motion and it is calculated using the formula V is equal to D over T, where V is speed, D is the distance traveled, and T is the time of travel. The System International Unit of Distance is meter, which is represented by small letter m, and the System International Unit of Time is second, which is represented by small letter s. So, the System International Unit for speed is meter per second. There are other units of speed like kilometer per hour, mile per hour, kilometer per minute, and the like. Now let us consider this. Suppose that there's a rolling ball. The ball travels a distance of 6 meters for 3 seconds. What is its speed? Using formula V equals D over T, wherein we substitute D as 6 meters for the distance and T for 3 seconds for the time. We calculate that is 6 meters over 3 seconds, which will yield a value of 2 meters per second. How about velocity? Velocity is speed plus the direction. Speed has magnitude, which is described as scalar quantity, whereas velocity has magnitude and direction, which is described as vector quantity. Now let us consider this. The ball travels a distance of 6 meters in 3 seconds. What is its velocity? Using the same formula, V is equal to D over T, whereas D is 6 meters and T is 3 seconds, which is equal to 2 meters per second to the right. Now what if the distance and time are unknown? Let's derive the formula. If the distance is unknown, multiply both sides of the equation by t and cancel the t. Then the formula of the distance is d is equal to v multiplied by t. If the time is unknown, multiply both sides of the equation by t and cancel t. Then divide both sides by v and cancel v. Then, the formula for the time is t is equal to d over v. Let's solve this problem together. Pause the video if needed. Let us check the answers. The given are, distance is equal to 4 kilometers and time is equal to 0.5 hour. We substitute distance over time. So that would be v is equal to 4 km over 0.5 hour. If we divide those values, we get 8 km per hour due north. Therefore, for Mario to reach school from his house in half an hour, he must travel at an average speed of 8 km per hour. Let's try to solve another problem, but this time, you have to solve it alone. You can pause the video as needed. Are you ready? Here's the answer. Did you get the answer correctly? Very good. Here's another problem. You can pause the video as needed. Are you ready? Here's the answer. You get the answer correctly? Very good. In what other instances the speed and velocity are observed? Pumping of the heart. Speed can be observed in the normal heart rate, which is 80 beats per minute. Velocity can be observed in the blood flow in our blood vessels, which is about 1.5 centimeters per second to 7.1 centimeters per second. And the direction? It is either to or from the heart.